everyone, this is Pandora Kathy, and for today, I'm going to show you how to take care of baby pig here in our small farm slash fishing pond at the same time. We have a lot of animals here. We have some pigs, which, the mother pig is here next to me. She's looking at me, trying to guard her, kids over here, which is very cute. We have 9 total of piglets over here, and I'm gonna show you what it feels, spending the day with them, taking care of them, feeding them at the same time, and I'm gonna explain to you every details how to take care of the piglets. So let's go. Before we feed the piglets, let's feed first the mother because mother is important, factor here. She's excited and hungry. Okay, here we go. Okay. So I feed the mother feeds. We call it feeds. It's very good for lactating. So, the more milk she have, the it's better for the piglets. So it's very, very important that a feeds is really like, high with lactation for her milk. And when the mother gets sick, the piglets also gonna get sick because it's connected to their, like the system. So it's very important to take care of the mother pigs. Okay, now it's time to feed the piglets. We put them over here so they have, space. Especially we're feeding them with the feeds. It's especially for immune booster. It's very, very important because pigs easily get sick if you don't take care of them. And this is also source of milk, of course. This pigs is nearly 1 month old. So when they turn 1 month old, they're not, good for always like eating milk anymore from their mom. You have to like start feeding them with the feeds. So since they're very close to 1 month, we have to slowly like feeding them with the feeds. Hello, come on, come on. They're shy. Come on, feed. Come on, come here. As you can see, guys, like they are not used to the feeds because they're too young. So you have to really like basically force them to eat the feeds, or else they don't have as much nutrition as you want them to have. It's gonna take a lot of patience to let them get used to it because they're used to their mother's milk. Now we're done feeding them, trying to feed them with the feeds. As you can see, guys, they're not really like still not used to it. So you have to always have a backup plan, which is the formula milk. Especially when the mother doesn't have a lot of milk, lacking of milk, you have to have another option, which is milk formula. And that's what we're gonna feed them right now. It's okay. It's okay. Now it's your time to drink milk. It's okay. Ah. Yes, here you go. It's okay. It's okay. So one thing you need to know about the pigs is that they're better when they're in a tropical country, in a hot country compared to cold country, because pigs is really good in a warm country because they get sick easily if they are in a cold place. Especially for the baby pigs, they need to be warm as much as possible. And right now, since they're not even 1 month old yet, they haven't showered at all since they're born. So we have to wait till they turn to 1 month old. So they're finally allowed to shower. Important factor of the house of the pigs, you have to make sure that they have all the nets just like this behind me. This is super duper important, guys, especially for all the mosquitoes, any insects that's been going on here in this farm. We have to really protect them from the African swine fever. It's a very common disease for the pigs, so we have to keep them healthy as possible. So we also have natural water, guys. This is we prefer to give to the pigs because it's natural, no chemicals, fresh from the down part of the soil here in the farm. So it's really, really good for the pigs. As you know, these days, all the water that we consume have a lot of like fluorine or any like substances that the body doesn't really need. So natural is better. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog today, hanging out with the piglets, taking care of them, and all you need to know how to, like live with them if you want to. It's really, really enjoyable and it's really good knowledge also because I love to take care of animals and I love having a farm full of like different kinds of animals. It's if you want to, have that in your life, you need to know what they need and all the important factors for them to have a healthy life and, growth. So this is all, and I hope I'm gonna see you in my next vlog.